Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about kerosene diesel pressure stove. First of all, let us see about the components in this stove and how it works and the additional components and about the fuel used. First, now let us see about the components in this stove. This is the component which is used to pump pump which pressurizes the stove. This pump is used to supply oxygen into the fuel inside this tank to move through this tube. Then the fuel will pass out through this small nozzle where it starts to burn. So this is the pump and this is the place where we pour the fuel, and this is a knob which is used to turn off the flame. Okay, this is the burner which allows the flame to burn uniformly. Okay, now let us talk how this works, how this stove works. The pump will force the oxygen into the tank where the fuel is stored. Then the fuel will move through this tube and come out through that small nozzle. But this is not enough. So when we burn the fuel coming out through this nozzle through a matchstick, then the heat produced here will make the fuel into vapor. So the vapor will come as a steam through this nozzle. So the ignition takes place at a uniform way, which gives us a high energy of flame. Now let us talk about the additional components which are placed here. It is nothing but a matchbox. Without a matchbox as a source, initial starting source to flame this stove, we cannot operate this. So a matchbox or any other component which ignites the ignites to burn is essential. Then this component is used to take the impurities which may form in this nozzle tip. So this acts as an component to remove the impurities or the high pressurized steam of fuel. This is also essential to burn a consistent flame. So let us now talk about the fuel used. The fuel used to ignite the stove is kerosene or diesel. You can use both kerosene. If not kerosene available, you can use diesel. Nowadays kerosene is not available at a greater amount, so you can use diesel to flame the stove. Okay, you can now see the flame coming out through this stove at a consistent way. Okay, but how to switch off this flame? As I said before, you can use this knob to slow down the flame. You can see now here. As I turn this knob in an anti-clockwise direction, the flame starts to go down. You can use this knob as adjustable and can off the flame. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.